Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled eggs with beet juice. First, hard boil about 1 dozen eggs, ensuring they are fully cooked but not rubbery. Once cooled, gently peel them under running water to prevent damage. This initial step is crucial for the eggs to properly absorb the pickling liquid and achieve that vibrant color and delicious flavor. Now, let's create that beautiful beet brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of beet juice with 1 cup of white vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar until dissolved. For extra flavor, add a few whole cloves, a bay leaf, and perhaps some sliced onions. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then let it cool completely before using. With your brine ready, it's time to pickle. Carefully place your peeled hard-boiled eggs into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Make sure they fit snugly without being crushed. Next, pour the cooled beet brine over the eggs, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and refrigerate for at least 3 to 5 days. This allows the flavors to meld and the eggs to absorb that gorgeous color. Your delicious pickled beet eggs are now ready to enjoy. They will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 weeks, becoming even more flavorful over time. Serve them chilled as a unique snack, a vibrant side dish, or even sliced in salads. They're a fantastic way to add a tangy, earthy kick to your meals. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.